The lower house of India's parliament witnessed intense debate on the motion of thanks to the president's address. Leaders across party lines participated in the debate, and Prime Minister Modi's reply then took centre stage. Prime Minister outlined his government's achievements over the past decade, and he laid out a clear roadmap for the future driven by cutting-edge technology. Here are some of the key moments of the Prime Minister's speech compiled by our correspondent, Debyendu Mandal.
After more than 12 hours of intense debate, the Prime Minister took the floor in the Lok Sabha to reply to the motion of thanks to the President's address. The President's speech, the Prime Minister said, has provided a clear direction for a Vikasit Bharat, which means a developed India, and highlighted the vision for the country's future.
इस राष्ट्रपति जी के संबोधन में अगर हम बारीकी इसको अध्ययन करेंगे तो ये साफ नजर आता है कि उन्होंने देश के सामने भविष्य के 25 वर्ष और विकसित भारत के लिए एक नया विश्वास जगाने वाली बात।
In his detailed address, the Prime Minister pointed to his government's achievements over the past 10 years, particularly in areas like infrastructure development, healthcare and social welfare. He also focused on emerging technologies, emphasizing initiatives such as India's AI mission, new tech development and deep tech industries that are poised to shape the future of the country.
भारत वो देश है जिसके इंडिया एआई मिशन को लेकर के पूरी दुनिया बहुत आशावादी है और विश्व के एआई प्लेटफॉर्म में भारत की मौजूदगी एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान प्राप्त कर चुकी है.
In a sharp attack on the opposition, the Prime Minister accused the rival parties of failing to give adequate representation and respect to marginalized communities. He asserted that his government, under BJP's leadership, has given special focus to the welfare of tribals, OBCs and SCs, ensuring that these communities are uplifted and respected.
हर सेक्टर में SC, ST, OBC को ज्यादा से ज्यादा अवसर मिले, उस दिशा में हमने बहुत मजबूती के साथ काम किया है.
The Prime Minister also underscored his government's commitment to the Constitution, reaffirming that the BJP's actions and policies have always been in line with constitutional principles. He accused the opposition of undermining constitutional respect in their rhetoric.
ये हमारा संविधान जीने का स्वभाव था, ये हमारा संविधान का स्पिरिट था, ये हमारी लोकतंत्र की मर्यादाओं का पालन करने का इरादा था. हमने तय किया कि भले मान्य विपक्ष नहीं होगा, रिकॉग्नाइज्ड अपोजिशन नहीं होगा, लेकिन जो सबसे बड़े दल का सब नेता है उसको मीटिंगों में बुलाएंगे.
As the budget session moves forward, with both the houses adjourned late Tuesday evening, all eyes will now be on the Rajya Sabha, where the Prime Minister is set to respond on Thursday. Debyendu Mandal's report for DD India.